All right. In order to get the health savings, you have to be a member of Save Club. Save Club is like a Sam's Club or Costco type membership, except you save a lot more money than with them. And how that works is, let's show you. First thing we have here, it's $19.97, by the way, a month, and that's 67 cents a day. Most members are saving on average about $200 or more per month, and I'm going to show you why. So first off is download the Save Club app. We have an app where you can get cash back at all kinds of restaurants in your area, retail shopping, beauty, auto, all kinds of stuff, and it will go right back to your credit card. So you walk in a place, you eat. If they're a member on the app, you buy, and all of a sudden you'll look at your phone and you'll see, oh, you just got cash back, and they'll put the cash back right on your credit card. We also have our discount deals, and what we have here is all kinds of deals on everything that you can think of, like 40% off Amazon devices. So if you have a Ring camera or an Amazon TV, 40% off what you see on Amazon. Up to Samsung, up to 30% off. For example, my mom just bought a dryer. Best Buy price was over $1,000. She got it for about $700. She saved $325 on the exact same dryer, and Samsung even had Best Buy deliver it. So hundreds of dollars. We've seen over $1,000 off refrigerators, etc. You can see movie tickets 25% off. Kohl's, all kinds of retailers are on here, and just a ton of savings. Okay, a lot of food on here, etc. One of the things that you benefit on too is travel. So for example, let's say you were looking to book a hotel. And you can do flights, cars, all kinds of stuff. And let's say we wanted just to go to Las Vegas, I don't know, December 2nd through the 4th. And let's pull up some deals here just to show you the amount of savings that you can see. So for example, the MGM Grand, a popular hotel. Hotels.com, $1,091. Orbitz, $1,091. Priceline, $1,500. Our price, $440 per night. So for 2 nights, $1,100. Basically, 2 nights with us, for the exact same room in the exact same hotel, everything's identical, is about just a little bit more than what they want per night. Okay, so this saved over $1,000, right? So, and this one saved quite a bit more. Okay, so because this is their per night price compared to our per night price. So as you can see, you're saving about $652 a night. And there's all kinds on here. Other than that, you can do things like dining. If you come over here and you want to hit deals and you want to hit dining, there's all kinds of great, like Shake Shack, 20% off. Arby's, when I go to Arby's, I could go grab a free roast beef sandwich, for example. These all vary by zip code, 50% off an appetizer there. These all vary depending on the zip code you live in. You can see all kinds of different food deals. People love these deals because they save a lot. If the deals alone on food pays for their membership. For example, I have IHOP, 10% off. All kinds of these really good deals. Hard Rock Cafe, 15% off, etc. So here's Panera Bread, for example. They have a really good deal with their Sip Club going on right now. And just great deals on this as well. But if you want to look at anything, maybe you have golfers, you want free green fees or $15 off Top Golf, etc. Department stores are on here. The beauty's on here. If you get to services, and you can look at all the services. For example, if I need my carpet cleaned, for my house, 20% off. Also, same thing. I can click on automotive and see all these automotive deals on kinds of repairs for my car, oil changes, like $20 off an oil change. That pays the membership right there. Car washes, you name it, it's in here. Grocery stuff, financial wellness, health and wellness, you name it. There is tons of discounts on here. What else do you get? We show you how to get more savings at your local grocery store. We have a way that we can actually cut your bills. We have what we call Savings Hub, and how the Savings Hub works is you will upload your cable bill, your internet bill, your cell phone bill, pest control bill, etc. And we have a pro negotiating team that will go out and try to cut those bills. You get the exact same service you had before, but we can help you save money. We've had people save, well over $300 on one bill. One person had a $100 cell phone bill. We got it down to $20 because these are pro negotiators. You get the same service or above. You don't get to lose any of your service. You get the same service or above, but just pay less for it. We have electric savings in 19 states. We have electric savings where you could just call a phone number and see if you can save money. 9 out of 10 people, we cut their electric bill. The same light switch goes on, the same TV goes on when you click the button, but you pay less. If they can save you money, they'll also send you a $100 gift card, Visa card, just for helping you save that money. We also have an exclusive deal section where we have companies coming to us. Medicure, these were products reserved for doctors' offices, very high-end nutritional products. They're giving Save Club members 40% off. Avoderm is one of the best pain relief products on the market. It blows everything else away in your local Walgreens or CVS, like your BioFreeze is a sample. They start at $7.50 because you get 70% off. So many testimonials on this product. Korean skincare at over 50% off the retail price. So we have tons of and a lot more is coming, tons of businesses that are saying, hey, listen, we want to give your members discounts that you can't get anywhere else on the planet. And that includes our health portal, because when you're a Save Club member, you're going to take advantage of our health portal that you're interested in, where you can click on Save Club Health, and we can save you that money that you're looking to save on that. This product by itself, we've seen people pay $50 for one telehealth call. This is $49.97 for an entire family with all the benefits that you saw in the above video. And this is another wholesale deal that we're rolling out for anybody that is a current Save Club Health members. The whole point about Save Club is to save our members as much money as possible on about everything that you're currently spending. So if you're excited about paying less for about everything, having more money than you did at the end of the month last month, Save Club's for you. All you're going to do is get the $19.97 membership, and then you can click on Save Club Health and get that package and start getting affordable health care. Thanks for watching.